Let's learn opposite words. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Serious, funny. Opposite of serious is funny. Interesting, boring. Opposite of interesting is boring. Increase, decrease. Opposite of increase is decrease. Kind, cruel. Opposite of kind is cruel. Always, never. Opposite of always is never. Natural, artificial. Opposite of natural is artificial. Sunny, cloudy. Opposite of sunny is cloudy. Mess, order. Opposite of mess is order. Public, private. Opposite of public is private. Remember, forget. Opposite of remember is forget. War, peace. Opposite of war is peace. Modern, ancient. Opposite of modern is ancient. Separate, combine. Opposite of separate is combine. Import, export. Opposite of import is export. Regret, satisfaction. Opposite of regret is satisfaction. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.